Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry if my face is red, it's just the filter. Okay, so today I'm making another slime video. And so, it would usually be foamy at the top, but I just now played with it. So, yeah. Okay. So this is one of my best slimes. So I'm just going to stretch it real quick so that I can get it all ready for the video and it'll be ready and yeah. And then I need to poke it a few times. I'm going to make a swirl. Dang it. Try this again. Okay. It got messed up, but yeah. It was a swirl, but it got messed up. Okay. Okay, this is the poking consistency. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to try and make it swirl, and then I'll show y'all what it ended up like. Dang it, that didn't work. Okay, I don't know how it's going to look on camera. Oh, look what y'all did. Y'all poked it. Okay. I'm going to try something. I think it's too sticky to do this, but let me see. Okay. I'm going to try and stretch it like butter. Okay, I'm not really sure. I've never made butter slime before. So, let me see. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all. Y'all can judge. Wait, no, that side isn't good because I just did that side, so. Is that better slime? I don't know, but I guess this is how I'm gonna have to end the video. On an amazing note, because it ended with my slime being awesome. Because it always is. Especially this one. Okay. Hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.